Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Strengthening Organic Enforcement Rule, SOE Rule. Let's get started. When a product is labeled as organic, it means that the ingredients used in its production have been grown and processed according to specific organic standards. The term organic refers to a method of farming and food production that avoids the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, and certain other artificial inputs. Instead, organic farming relies on natural processes and substances to enhance soil fertility, control pests, and promote biodiversity. In the United States, the regulation of organic products is overseen by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, through the National Organic Program, NOP. The NOP establishes the standards for organic production, handling, labeling, and certification. Earlier on 2023, the Strengthening Organic Enforcement Rule, or SOE Rule, was issued by the USDA National Organic Program. All operations impacted by the new rule must demonstrate full compliance by March 19, 2024. The Strengthening Organic Enforcement Rule, or SOE Rule, represents a significant milestone in the regulatory landscape. It is the first substantial change to the organic regulation in about 2 decades. The final rule became effective on March 20, 2023, and as I mentioned, compliance of this new rule must be reached by March 19, 2024. The rule will increase the types of business that need to be organic certified. The SOE rule impacts the entire organic supply chain, including some previously exempt operators and operators that already hold certification, including processors, importers, traders, brokers, retailers, brand owners, distributors, growers. Only a few parties are exempt from certification. The text highlighted reflects the revisions or additions. The Section 205.100A states the requirements for the certification. The definition of handle has been updated to include the section highlighted in yellow. It now includes traders, importers, exporters, packing, repacking, receiving, and loading. The exemptions from organic certification are listed in the Section 205.101. For example, custom brokers or logistic brokers that do not take ownership or physical possession of the organic products, and their actions present minimal risk to organic integrity. These 2 sections have in common that all containers must be sealed in tamper-evident packages or containers. In Section E, you will notice that it does not cover the activities of buying and selling. Example for Section E are storage facility and warehouses performing cross-docking activities for sealed drums. They do not take physical ownership of the products. Preparing for shipment example could be applying internal tracking numbers or shrink wrapping. Example for Section F are distributors, brand name owners, sales brokers that receive product in finished retail packaging. Preparing for shipment example could be breaking down pallets, placing individual retail packages into a retail display. The operators and activities that must be certified are the producers and processors of organic products, of course, importers, brokers, and traders. Some operations need to be certified for only one of its activities, meaning that if they import organic products but do other activities, they only need to be certified for the importing. Brokers of organic ingredients will require organic certification regardless of the location. Some exceptions are custom brokers, logistics brokers, and brokers and traders of finished retail label products in sealed tamper-evident packaging or containers. Brokers and traders, even if they don't take possession of the products, they will need to be organic certified. How the SOE rule affects the organic certified facilities. The changes, outlined in 7 CFR Part 205, are aimed at fortifying oversight across the organic supply chain, addressing challenges posed by global supply chains and the increasing complexity of the organic market. A National Organic Program Import Certificate, or NOP Import Certificate, is a certified issue document that links to specific organic products for the shipment is being made. It basically travels with the shipment to verify that the products are originally organic certified. All organic products entering the United States will require an NOP Import Certificate. Before, we only needed an NOP import certificate from organic imported products from EU countries, Japan, or Korea. Now it will be required for all organic imported products, regardless of the country of origin. It will be possible to cover multiple shipments or imports for a period with a maximum amount of product identified, for example, by season or quarter. Before product ships, the importer will also upload the import certificate to the automated commercial environment of Customs and Border Protection. These are some of the essential elements to include in the NOP import certificate. Exporter and/or manufacturer and the organic certifying agency. Recipient. Product name. Amount of product. Follow the link in the description for the most current information regarding NOP import certificate. Note that a record-keeping system must be implemented to track the volumes of product imported under one certificate. You would need to have all NOP import certificates on file and ready to present them during the organic inspection. The following are the definitions of organic fraud in supply chain traceability audit. Feel free to pause the video to read more, or refer to the link below in the description for more details about the SOE Rule. Certified operations must implement improved record-keeping and fraud prevention processes while certifying agents conduct supply chain traceability audits. The Strengthening Organic Enforcement Final Rule mandates that all organic operations implement a fraud prevention plan in their organic system plan by March 19, 2024. This plan must outline monitoring practices to prevent organic fraud and verify suppliers and product status. Key reasons for emphasizing fraud prevention in the organic market include maintaining consumer trust, preserving market integrity, protecting farmers and businesses, ensuring environmental sustainability, verifying compliance with regulations, and facilitating global trade. The Organic Fraud Prevention Plan serves as a document within the Organic System Plan, detailing vulnerabilities and mitigation strategies to prevent fraud in the supply chain. It evaluates all certified organic items and outlines procedures for verifying supplier compliance and maintaining the organic status of products throughout the supply chain. The section for labeling of non-retail containers, 205.307, describes the method to calculate organic percentage, which has been revised to be clearer. Weight or volume of the organic ingredients divided by the total weight or volume of the product. Salt and water are excluded from the calculation. Additional information such as organic status in certifier details need to be displayed on non-retail containers. All products must be labeled to include that is organic and who the certifier is. Mandatory traceability information could include lot number, product name, purchase order number, supplier name, among others. The SOE Rule aims to make sure organic products meet high standards. They strengthen oversight and enforcement in areas like certification, inspections, and labeling. The goal is to build trust in the USDA organic label by ensuring the integrity of the entire organic supply chain. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay safe and see you in the next video.